It is a beautiful day in the city of Wichita, Kansas. Hello, good morning. Beautiful sunrise to all. This is Lamont out here with Anderson Oil, part of Team X-Treme. We're out here on the mobile automotive oil change execution. Juice, where you at, baby?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Juice at. I'm about to get dirty. Hold on for automotive Spielberg. Let me get y'all in here for Juice. This is the Juice is loose. Hold on, where you at, Juice? There it is. There it is. There it is. So the other members of Team X-Treme is out here putting in the work, keeping the city going, doing what needs to be done to keep Wichita's vehicles moving on the road. If you need to schedule service or appointments, you make sure you give us a call. The most trusted name, integrity, quality, and words that you can trust. I am Automotive Spielberg, getting in all the live action shots. Hold on, let me get y'all while we up under the vehicle. Let me get you. Here we go. This is the quality that only Automotive Spielberg can bring to you. There is none other. Your brakes, your oil changes, your tire rotations, whatever it is to keep your vehicle moving, to keep it executing, to keep it performing to the capabilities that you need, to the capabilities that you deserve. Make sure you give Anderson Oil a call, the most outstanding, incredible, blessed automotive service team in America, in the global system. We're going to get back to work. We hope you're having a beautiful, blessed day in the most beautiful land of Wichita, Kansas. We'll be talking to you soon.